Symbud President Dhankar India Jagdeep Dhankar haba ai jingkran haka Skulbah Pondicherry University. Ulapins kem baka jingtmu ka viksit Bharat ka deka thong ka batikna bala kershan ru daga jingtip ka baklan halor ka yo ka kot. Haba ai jingkran ya ki samla puli bat ya ki nohikai. Ula banjur halor ka benta jong ki samla samhoy man penwandur ya ka lawai jong kari bat ula ong baka jingnang jingstat ka de kanong penbiang ka bakraw. Ula kenturu mankiar na kaban penlong ya kapuli putih kum kalat kamai spa kamai po bat ban pensluru ya ka jingbei tingka na ki company ki bahe ban tei ya ki jaka puli ki bapau ha ka perthai ki basothet ha ki akor buram tenrai jongkari India.
Adventures in health and education were dictated by our age-old philosophy. We must return to the society to exemplify its worthy citizens. And therefore the endeavor should be, we should not be driven by commodification and commercialization of education. Our education must align with India's traditional Gurukul system that finds place in one amongst 22 miniatures in the Indian Constitution, and precedence is given to it. We must emphasize boys and girls, apart from getting knowledge, character development.
Kajing tokit halor kajing shap